If your playlist is a blend of Bob Marley and Lucky Dube, congrats, you're a reggae aficionado. From the sunny shores of Jamaica to the vibrant streets of South Africa, reggae has left an indelible mark on global music. Picture this, the soulful grooves of iconic Jamaican artists like Bob Marley and Peter Tosh setting the stage. Now, fast forward to South Africa, where legends like Lucky Dube took those rhythms and made them their own, creating a unique blend that resonates deeply. It's more than just music. It's a cultural connection. Whether it's the infectious beats that get people dancing or the powerful lyrics that speak of freedom and unity, reggae has bridged the gap between these diverse landscapes. Even today, you can hear the influence of reggae in the beats of South African streets, in festivals, and in the latest tracks of emerging artists. It's a living, breathing tradition that continues to inspire and evolve. So how has reggae touched your life? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to follow Boss Radio for more on how music shapes cultures worldwide. #Global Reggae, #South African, music #Jamaican influence, #Boss Radio.